Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to talk about how to grow peonies and care for them. Let's get started. Introduction to peonies. It's no surprise that peonies are greatly loved, not just for their fragrance and beautiful appearance, but also their hardiness, which lets them thrive in almost any environment with little attention. They are perennial flowers, mostly blooming during the late spring and early summer months. When and where to plant it. The optimal place to grow them is in a sunny, well-drained soil area, because this provides them with plenty of air circulation and prevents fungal growth, especially from botrytis. The best places include a walkway, where they can enjoy the sunshine and show off their color changes as the seasons go by. A rich violet with green leaves in the summer, and gold or purple red in the fall. They don't transplant well and do not like disturbance, so choose your planting spot well. Also be mindful of the large blooms that make their flower tops heavy, so ensure the spot you select is not susceptible to strong winds. Avoid planting them next to shrubs or trees because they don't like competing for moisture and sunlight. The best time to plant these flowers is during the fall, specifically 6 weeks before the ground freezes in the winter. This is around September and October, although there are some zones in the US where peonies can be planted in November. How to plant peonies. In most instances, you will buy peonies as bare root tubers with eyes. These are divisions of a mature peony plant. When planting them, spread them 3 to 4 feet apart to prevent air from stagnating between them as they grow. Dig wide holes measuring 2 feet across and 2 feet deep in a sunny, well-drained spot. Add compost if the soil is very sandy or heavy to prepare it. Plant the roots, making sure the eyes are facing upwards, and fill the hole to cover the tuber root, and tamp gently with your hands. Finish by watering them thoroughly. How to care for it. Favorable growth conditions. The best part about peonies is their ability to grow and bloom for long periods, since many nurseries offer you late bloomers, mid-season bloomers, and early bloomers. The only conditions they need are well-drained soil and full sun, with some varieties loving the winter because the cold allows them to form buds. The stems may have structural weaknesses because of the giant leaves and blossoms, so add some wire tomato cages or metal peony rings for added support. If the soil you plant them in is poor, apply fertilizer during the early summer months. Otherwise, don't fertilize them or mulch them often because they are sensitive to smothering. Additionally, deadhead them when they begin fading to promote strong leaves. Thanks for watching!